Very good, people. We experienced a high performance day with a 0.90% increase in value today, but this does not necessarily indicate that we will experience a more stable and consistent upward trend in the upcoming days. What does this day tell us? It demonstrates to us that this significant downward movement, which occurred very rapidly, we refer to as a euphoria, is currently testing the averages, meaning when it stayed far from the 9 average, it tends to come back to the averages in order to make a correction and align with the overall trend, thus restoring balance in the market and ensuring a more stable and sustainable trajectory. Taking this into account, there is a potential for the average to continue falling, which raises the possibility of conducting further tests to confirm the downward trend, don't you think? So we had an increase of 0.90 in the S&P, 0.95 in the Nasdaq, 1.24095 in Nasdaq 1 and 24. There's no need to rush. Rush has already tested the averages, and we have a value of 0.75 on the Dow Jones, which broke the 9 average. Our current objective is to focus on the average of OS highlights for the commodities we follow. We have observed a significant drop in the price of gold, experiencing a decline of 2.72% at this moment. Additionally, another noteworthy highlight is the price of oil, which has consistently held at the bottom level of 86.50 for the third consecutive day. This specific region, known as the OPEC region, requires close monitoring. It is essential for us to analyze these developments and their impact on the market in order to make informed decisions. Our team is dedicated to tracking these trends and providing accurate insights. Is that right? Among the papers that we follow on a personal basis, we are currently witnessing and actively monitoring at this particular moment in time, at the present time, in the here and now. FWRG performed a test rebound at this location, where we witnessed the maximum variation of the operation reaching a significant 6.91%. NASA, which yielded us an impressive profit of almost over 90% in this particular instance, played a key role in generating a 1% increase in the NASA operation. However, it is worth noting that the NASA operation had already been closed at that point. Despite this, we experienced a notable 4% drop in the ETF, making it a favorable outcome for our investment strategy. This is not something you see frequently or commonly when we have this particular opportunity. We embrace it, put this substantial piece of money in our pocket, and move on to the next operations or tasks at hand. On Friday, we observed the expiration of options, and we are currently still monitoring several longer-term operations, specifically position selection, as part of our ongoing efforts to ensure optimal performance and strategic decision-making for our organization's long-term success. Here we are on May 17th, 164. So the maximum variation of 640 as well. This was an operation that already ensured a good profit. The main focus of these position operations is on the Nasdaq, which has undergone a correction here and is currently showing a positive appreciation of 1.41%, favoring the overall operation. A lot going in favor of the operation. Another crucial operation is Kimberly-Clark, which demonstrated positive movement in this specific period of 3 weeks and underwent a correction up to the average levels, thereby attracting buying pressure. We have a deadline of June 21st to monitor and profit from a potential increase in Kimberly-Clark, a company that presents a promising opportunity for financial gains. We additionally possess Intel, which executed a highly advantageous maneuver in our favor at this location and presently is in very close proximity to the closing price of Friday's trading session. These are the operations that we currently monitor here in our Beresque team. Okay? Wishing everyone a great night. May God bless you all and keep you safe. Have a wonderful evening, each and every one of you.